Okay, met the assessment tayo. All participated, men. This is a full-scale participation. Hopefully, with the approval of our good mayor, Brian Alisto Alcid, we will have another drill, unannounced. Tigiti dito handa nga nagtak cover and hold ko na ni fire tayo. Dagiti daduma nagpayong da handa nga kinasta jay ulo da while evacuating. Dagiti daduma met okay met actually at least nakiparticipate.
Ano lagi na makita tayo nga kurang pa Doktor?
Kurang dito it's more on the reporting no daduma. Kasi instructed dapat every department should be accountable for their staff and their clientele. So they will lead their clientele and staff to the evacuation, which is here at Aurora. Medical tayo, okay, met it is search and rescue tayo together with my team and my BFP, okay naman. There is a earthquake and frequent na nganinin eh. Actually, frequent met siguro yung tremors ti kasta tayo, kaya lang datoy ngamin is medyo napipiksa. That's why it's alarming. That's why we have to be prepared, know what to do during the if ever there earthquake.